Hello and welcome to another video here on Powerdojo. In this video, we're going to have a look at how you can apply a theme to your Power BI report or dashboard. The functionality that we're going to have a look, you can use it on both Power BI desktop and Power BI service. The technique is especially beneficial if we want to apply a uniform theme to a dashboard that has visuals from reports with different themes. Over here, we have a Power BI report in which we have several visuals, several shapes. This is just an example. I know it is not aesthetically pleasing, but that's what we can do with themes. We can apply a uniform theme to our Power BI report. How you can do that is you can click on the View tab at the top over here, and on the left you'll see few options that appear where you can choose among the accessible themes that you can choose like this. So you can see this is how you can switch themes. But let's say, for example, your client has a certain specification that he wants to use few predefined colors that are specific to the company, specific to the brand. So, for example, let's take the case of NBC Studio. Imagine that we are working for NBC Studios. Now, if you remember, they have a logo which has a peacock with the colors of the rainbow as its feathers. Now, since this is a specific request, in order to do that, you need to go right at the bottom among the options and click on Customize Current Theme. So you'll see this window will appear in which you can customize your theme based upon your client's requirement. Let it be the name or colors that you want to use for your visuals, your text, the whole page, or the filter pane. So as you can see, there are several options at our disposal. For this example, I'm just going to show you the name and colors tab. What we're going to do is we'll name our custom theme. Let's call it NBC. Now you can make several choices when it comes to the theme colors. If I do, let's say, choose the drop down option for color 1, you'll see this window appears in which you can see at the bottom you can provide a hex number for that particular color or the RGB value. Now this is something which we can play with. So if I were to, let's say, look up what are the hex values or the RGB values of the NBC brand, I have this as a result where we have the name of the colors, the hex values, the RGB values, and not only that, we also can use the CMYK, which is the cyan, magenta, yellow, and key values. Key is nothing but black, that we can specify in order to identify this color, which is Spanish yellow. Now let's put in the hex value of the first color that we found out, like this. So you see the first color has now changed to the Spanish yellow of the NBC logo. Now we'll do something similar for the remaining colors of the brand by choosing the other colors and specifying the hex number. So I made the selections for the other colors over here. Now, if you have to scroll down, you will also see there are a few other options like sentiment colors, what kind of sentiment you want to provide across your report. For instance, if we have a value which is negative, we can use the red color. There's a value which is positive, we can use the green color. And not only that, we can also use something called divergent colors, in which we'll be able to identify the outliers in our visuals. So let's just click on apply, and you'll see our Power BI report has been updated by the selections that we made. Now this is not something which is fixed. We can always go into the properties and format the visual as per our choices. But the first options that you will see among the choices are the colors that we defined just now. So if you were to look at the bottom options of recent colors, you can just hover over the color and you will see its hex value. You can cross check it again by the hex value that we looked up online. So this is how you can easily customize your theme. And not only this, you can save your current theme like this, and you can use it for future reports for the same client, or if you want to share this theme with someone in your team, you can do that as well. Now what I'm going to do is just going to undo the theme that we applied to our Power BI report, and I'll show you how we can apply the same theme that we saved as a JSON file. For that, you can select the option browse for themes. You select that JSON file that we just saved like this, and you'll see the theme has been applied to your Power BI report. So this is how you can apply a theme to your Power BI report or dashboard on either Power BI desktop or Power BI service. Do not forget to play around with this option. It's very easy to use, and you can save your custom theme if required. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments of what you thought about it. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.